They go to another tunnel. Yeah. Oh, let's go to another tunnel. Yes.
Hey guys, hey friends. Today we open
Unboxing. Thomas and Friend.
IC
Trackmaster.
IC well.
What is IC Mountain Drift? Wow, look at the box.
And we have
Thomas in here. Okay. Friends, this is the part inside of the box.
So yeah, build it all by yourself. No.
We have the track.
I don't know what.
Seems like the bridge, a part of the
I don't
bridge.
know where this goes, but it's gonna go like this.
Oh yeah, that's awesome.
So how to start with this? What's one instructions?
Okay,
Yeah.
let's build the
First,
track.
you probably get those. Okay. Second,
Let's see how we build.
second this, and I don't know what to put this.
Oh, this is Erik try to assembly everything in here. Erik coba untuk apa namanya, membuat tracknya. Ini picture-nya. This is the picture of the track. IC Mountain Drift. Thomas Master Track IC Mountain Drift. Ini gambarnya. We try hard to connecting. Terowongan tunnel, IC tunnel. There you go. Dia lihat di bukunya, di bukunya ada keterangannya. Try to connecting to the tunnel. This is the manual book.
Yeah, that's easy. Okay. Oh, I forgot the sign.
The sign here.
I need a string now. Oh, come on. There's one more piece to go. Yeah. Stop. One more piece.
Just a small one. He reading the manual.
And one more to go. And then
job, Erik. Can you imagine he's doing by himself? This? He's so awesome. Dia bikin sendiri ini, guys. Bikin sendiri build tracknya. So awesome, right?
Oh no! You don't have to go that way. You have to go
Okay.
this way.
Are you sure that's the right way? No, it should be from this way, maybe, Erik.
Oh.
Right?
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay. Because he's going to the tunnel. Yep. Right. And then they go to going back again. No, it's right. It's right.
Wait. I need a piece of there.
Or you can. Oh my gosh! They can. Oh. He can do anything, Erik. Ah! It's so, oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's behind me. Oh, that's weird. Look at that! Wow! And now about Henry. We try with another trackmaster, and still walking. Itu artinya dia bisa digunakan dengan any kind trackmaster as long as it's still Thomas friend. Look at that. Look at that. It's awesome. And how about Henry? Wow. And look, Thomas, go to the tunnel. This is so awesome. Do you like it, Erik?
Yeah.
It's so awesome. Okay, and there is another track here. If we open this, yep, they go to another tunnel. Yeah. Oh, let's go to another tunnel. Yes. Okay. Okay, guys, this is it. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Erik, to your friends.
Bye-bye.